best friend. I am over the yellow. So in today's video, I think that I am going to start removing this yellow. I'm over it. Now, since I decided that I'm gonna keep the sofa, I want to move out the yellow and just go with my base neutral color. So that's what we are going to do today. We are going back to all neutrals, baby. So with that being said, welcome back, baby, to another jam-packed motivational video. You already know that your support is greatly appreciated. I want to start by removing the yellow from out of this space. I cannot wait to see. However, I do love the fact that I got the gold, the mustard color in here, and I see that it goes very well together. But because I am a neutral girly, I want to see what my space look like with my new sofa and all neutrals. So I'm gonna remove the mustard yellow out the entire space, and it's gonna make it easy for me when I get ready to transition with my new color, because I got a new color coming. And I have been slowly collecting pieces here and there to add the new color in. But I really just want to take out all of the color. I think it's gonna look good too. And I'm gonna add some of the pillows that came with the sofa. Because the pillows that came on the sofa, you guys, are feathered filled pillows. And I was pleasantly surprised that the pillows came feather filled, because you don't usually see that, right? You don't usually see pillows coming feather filled. And I can't wait. These are some more pillow covers that I had. I wanted to show them to you. These are really pretty diamond shaped pillow covers, really nice. So I'm gonna move color from everywhere in here. Even here, let me change tripods. Take out, I got a plastic bag. I wanna take out all my little yellow little flowers here and there, like the yellow balls. Take these out. I didn't have a whole lot of yellow to begin with. I had just enough to tie the colors in together. So yeah. So let's just do that, y'all. And I'll talk to you later. collaboration that came at the right time because I'm pulling out my pillows and stuff, and they sent me, I think this is perfect for what I'm doing. And so this is the travel vacuum bags. 1 pump and 8 small, 8 medium, and large bags. I'm gonna put the company name across the screen, but I cannot wait to use this because, like I just said, I'm picking up all my stuff, and girl, this couldn't have came at a better time, huh? It just came today. Let me see what this is. So, oh, this must be, this is cute how they packed it up too. So this is the charger, and this must be, oh, this is the vacuum. Oh, so this is the bag. So inside this box, it says it comes with 8 small, 6 medium, and 4 large. I don't know what that is, but let's see. This is perfect. Let me get some scissors, because I got all my pillows, and this would be good if I could put all this stuff together. I got, so, oh, yo. It's the usual. Why do I always say usual? Usual menu. This is the user menu. So, let's see what this is. Child, you are love. So this must be 2 small ones. I'm assuming, I don't know. Girl, this is a little small. It's a lot of bags. I'm excited. I ain't complaining. I'm just saying. It's different from what's on the box, I guess. I don't know. Ooh. 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 Girl, this is, y'all just don't know how perfect this is for me right now. With all these pillows and stuff I got. This is a lot of bags. Oh, girl, I know y'all gonna run get this. I know y'all. So let me see. Oh, I got 18 bags. Oh, girl, I got 8 small, 6 medium, and 4 large. Okay, so here go the large. That's why I know I was counting a lot of bags. So let me see how much stuff that I have. So I have 3, 1, 2. Let me go get the rest. Oh, I got a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna need the large one. All right. So let me get, I'm gonna get the large one. So this one, I'm gonna put them all on the floor for now. Or I may not be able to put them all in here. So this is the large one. Let me see, I'm gonna open the bag up. I hope this work out. If it do, I'm gonna be, y'all know I'm gonna tell y'all, right? If it work out, it work out. If it don't, I'm gonna be like, girl, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time, young man. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. So, I'm gonna put my throws. Got one more big old throw. My pillows. I got a bunch of pillows. So I could probably put this one in a small one. And these clothes are kind of thick. So I'm not even mad here. And then I got all the pillows. 1, 2, I got more pillows. Let me see. I think I got more pillows. Hold on. I think that's all the pillows. And I can use this one for the small one. Oh girl, let me see. I might could get all of this in this bag. Cause I would rather. No, I ain't gonna put it. Alright, so let me seal the bag back. Make sure the bag is sealed. That. Alright, now let me take I don't want to use another big one. These are small, so let me get a medium. So this is a medium. I'll put it in the medium. This came in the nick of time. I could have used a small one, huh? Let's try a small one. Girl, this hair, I don't lie. Gee. I could have used a small one. Let me try the small one first. It ain't nothing but pillow covers. So let me see. Nah. Let me see. Nah, I'm gonna use this. Like that. And then what else I had? Hold on, I got my napkins over here, and let me see. Oh wait, I got 2 more pillows. Hold on, y'all. Let me get them. All right, y'all. I had the pillows over on the table because I didn't strip the table. I didn't strip the kitchen too. Girl, I don't be playing. When it's time for this stuff, when I start getting tired of this stuff, I pick this stuff up so fast, girl. It'll make you eat. Ooh. If this work, y'all, your best friend gonna be super excited. I'm gonna be bucked up. And I got boo-hoo stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna do this. Like right in your face. Alright, put my back the chair up so you can see. Twist to over. Alright, let's see, because I don't know. Oh, I know you lying. Girl, baby, what? Oh. Then I guess you just put this back on here and close it up. Hold on. Girl, I know you lied. So, boom. All right, let's try this one. Let's try this one. Hold on. Take this off. Girl, I had this before, yeah, but I don't think I've had none of them to do this good. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. This is amazing. And then you just take your thing and put it. Girl, I know you lying. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that. So vacuum tight. Thumbnail. All right, y'all. Look, I was about to stop the camera, really. Let me clean up my mess, and I'll be right back. But y'all already know that I'm going to have the link down below for this. This is perfect for content creators, for anybody that have a lot of pillows and a lot of stuff. Baby, I am eating the girls up. And just like that, my stuff is packed. So not only did I do my throws, I did all my pillows, and then I did all my glass stuff. So I got them 2 flowers that I had, the 2 mugs, my 2 oil and vinegar things. I packed all that in here, and look, girl, they came out too good. Oh, child. Girl, go get you some.